Hi everyone, I'm Lily at West Coast Sweat, and today we're going to talk about Locust pose, Salavasana. First thing I want to talk about Locust pose is the setup. So we're going to start with the setup for the arms. So something that quite a few people have a problem with is getting their arms directly underneath the body, right? The arms should be fully underneath the body with your elbows underneath the body. This is what it should look like when you're laying on the floor. If you can, baby fingers touching side by side, the fingers should be open wide. So I understand there's a lot of people who may have tightness in the shoulders. It feels really uncomfortable to do this, or you feel like you can't do it. So a good tip for you to try this out. Is it technique or is it opening in the body that needs to happen? What you can do is come to the wall, go up against the wall, hands on the wall, and then start bringing your body, your shoulders towards the wall. When you do this, since you don't have the weight of your body, it feels easier, but you can see what that should feel like for you. So let's go back on the mat. And as I mentioned, it should feel easier, but again, if there is some discomfort, that is okay. We're not going for comfort here, we're going for therapy and for healing. So let's try this out. Let's set up our locust. Lie down on the floor. Remember, elbows underneath the body. Open up your fingers and grab the floor with your fingertips. So you should do that grabbing motion on the floor with your fingertips. This activates the muscles in your arms, your forearms, along with also helping you to get the weight shifted to your upper body, strengthening your spine and your back. Chin on the floor, right leg lift up. Lift up high enough. Another thing that people do is start right here, right? And keeping maybe a bend in the knee. Lock the knee, don't compromise the leg. You should be locking the knee. Point your toes and make sure you're coming up high enough. Again, to that discomfort, right? Legs should be up higher than what you think. As much as you can keep it high, lower down. And left leg lift up. Once again, leg high enough. You want to avoid turning the hip out. So your hip should be down, but the foot should come up directly over the top of your head in the mirror. Leg up high, lock the knee, and lower. Third part, we're gonna lift both legs. So right here, we adjust the arms so that you get the arms fully underneath your body, using your arm strength to help you shift that weight forward. Lock the knees, no compromising in the knees right here, right? No bend in the knees. Lock the knees from the start, legs together, and then lift up as high as you can. Head down, mouth on the floor, shifting that weight forward, and slowly lower down. Arms out to the side. You lie down in your Savasana. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really excited to have you guys try these tips in class next time. If you have any questions, comments, please put it in the comments below. Ask me next time you see me at the studio, and I will see you on your mat soon. Have a great day. Bye.